Ever pondered the magic behind the screen that allows your devices to connect to the internet? Well, that magic is often powered by a technology known as Ethernet. A world without Ethernet would be like a city without roads, disconnected and chaotic. Ethernet in its simplest form is a system for connecting a number of computer systems to form a local area network, with protocols to control the passing of information and to avoid simultaneous transmission by two or more systems. It's like the traffic controller of your internet highway, directing data where it needs to go swiftly and efficiently. At its core, Ethernet is a protocol, a set of rules that governs how devices on a network communicate. It's the language your devices use to chat with each other and with the wider internet world. It defines the way information is packaged, sent, received, and understood. Without Ethernet, your devices wouldn't know how to interpret the signals they receive, like someone trying to read a book written in a foreign language. Ethernet works by sending data in small packets. Imagine you're writing a letter. Instead of sending the entire letter in one large envelope, Ethernet would break it down into smaller, more manageable pieces, each with its own mini envelope and address label. These packets are then sent over the network to the recipient device, which uses the Ethernet protocol to reassemble them back into the original message. This method is incredibly efficient. It allows multiple devices to send and receive data simultaneously without having to wait their turn. It's like having a post office that can process thousands of letters at the same time, ensuring that everyone gets their mail promptly. Ethernet is also highly adaptable. It can work over a variety of physical layers, from traditional wired networks to wireless ones. It can even operate over optical fiber, allowing data to be transmitted at lightning-fast speeds over long distances. This versatility is one of the reasons why Ethernet has remained a staple of network technology for over 4 decades. So what have we discovered about Ethernet? It's a protocol that dictates how devices on a network communicate. It works by sending data in small packets, allowing multiple devices to interact simultaneously and efficiently. Ethernet is the unsung hero of our connected world. It's the invisible hand that guides the flow of information, ensuring that your devices can chat with each other and with the wider internet. So the next time you're streaming a video, sending an email, or just browsing the web, spare a thought for Ethernet, the technology that makes it all possible. Our journey through the world of Ethernet has been a fascinating one, delving into the inner workings of our connected devices. So remember, behind every successful internet connection, there's a hard-working Ethernet protocol, making sure your data gets where it needs to go. The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. This quote by W.B. Yeats perfectly encapsulates the magic of Ethernet, a technology patiently working behind the scenes, making our digital world possible.